Hi, my name is Travis Austin,
And this is Nathan Kurtz.
and we are a member of the New Boundary Technologies Support Department. Today we're going to talk about configuration groups, and the aspects of configuration groups that we're going to talk about today are exists, member of, and matches. Nate?
So, in a previous video, you had seen that we used a configuration group that was looking for whether Firefox was installed or not installed. Let's start by showing you how we made that group. So under the Configuration Groups tab, we create a user-defined group. The value type we were looking for was a file. The file that we were looking for was C, Program Files, x86, Mozilla Firefox, Firefox.exe, and we were looking for whether it existed or not. So let's finish this out by giving it a name. Next, we'll make the group that was looking that Firefox wasn't installed. So once again, we're going to use file. We're going to be looking for the same executable. We're looking for that it doesn't exist. So we're changing that to not exists. And now we have the pair of configuration groups that you saw in the previous video, and as we can see, the computer does not have Firefox installed right now. So next, let's show you how to make a member of configuration group. And a member of configuration group can be used to look for whether a user or a computer is a member of a particular security group. So you can use either computer AD name or user AD name. Today we're going to be using user AD name, and we're looking if it's a member of the security group that is in salesdomain.local, the sales OU, and then the name of the security group is internal sales. And if we hit next, and we name it, when the computer pulls in, we'll see that it joins the internal sales security group configuration group.
What if I wanted to look for somebody that wasn't in that security group?
So in that case, we would want to edit the rule that we are using, and we want to add to the very beginning the word not.
So in other configuration groups similar to this, and I can't find an argument that would exist for not, this would be how I would add that?
Correct.
Okay. So what if I wanted to look for a computer that was in a particular OU?
So we would want to use the same value type, either computer AD name or user AD name. But rather than using member of, we would want to use matches. And then we would want to put in the domain structure to where that OU was. So in this case, salesdomain.local, and the OU that we're looking for is sales. And then any user who was in the sales OU, we would want to join this group. So we put the wildcard asterisk sign at the very end. And when we finish out this rule and the computer pulls in, we will see that the computer has joined the configuration group that it is in the sales OU.
Well, that's pretty cool. All right. Well, that is our segment about configuration groups.